We are creating a new project by clicking Create Project. Then we import videos that want to. I edit. For example, this one. Pull it here. Then I want to take certain parts. I use this split to cut it off. For example, here. Then I deleted this part. I deleted it. Well, like that. Then the sound I can eliminate. I click on this one can mute track, or I pull down like this. Then I try to put in, I import the music. Then I find the music. For example, this music that I put in to the bottom of the, then I shrink it like this. Let's listen. Well, like this. For his music the volume can be reduced, shrunk like this. Or it can be from here. Okay, next. We can set the video speed. Well, I usually use this speed. I usually make 2 of these. Well, he'll be faster. Of course, we also turn the music down like this. The result is like this. He's faster. We enter the logo, yes, let our video, it's cooler. Yeah, this. I put this at the top of the video. Well, here I zoom out. I moved here to the right. Okay, like that. Okay, I think tutorial, this short, is enough. I hope this video provide benefits to you. Thank you.